Hello everyone. In this video we'll learn how to link multiple web pages. So I have two HTML files opened here in my VS Code. One is index.html and the other one is aboutus.html. These are simple web pages and I want to link these two web pages. By linking I mean that I want to have some text here in index.html, and when I click on that text I should be navigated to aboutus.html. Okay, so to do that we'll use a element. A stands for anchor. So first we'll write its start tag, then its end tag, and then we'll write its content. This is the text that we will be clicking on. Okay, and this is also called hypertext. Let's write go to about us. Okay, and we'll also have to use an attribute here called href, and in the value of this attribute we'll have to give the name of our destination file, the name of that file that we want to navigate to. Okay, so here the name of that file is aboutus.html, right? And href here stands for hypertext reference. Okay, so let's save this file and view this file in the browser. So basically when I click on this text it should take me to aboutus.html. So now let's go to our browser and view this thing. So you can see that the browser has by default colored this text to blue, and also the browser has underlined this text. We haven't given any CSS to this A element, right? But these are the default settings of the browser, that whenever the browser sees an anchor element it automatically gives blue color to its content, and it also automatically underlines the text. We can remove these styles, but we'll see how to do this later in this video. For now let's just test this link. Okay, let's click on this text. So you can see that it has navigated me to aboutus.html, right? So let's also create a link in aboutus.html that takes us back to our home page. For that we'll have to go to our VS Code and make changes in aboutus.html. So basically we'll use an A element again here, and we'll give it an attribute of href. Right here, take us to home page, and in the value of this href attribute we'll have to mention the name of the destination file, which is index.html in this case. So one more thing that I want to mention here is that the index.html and aboutus.html should be in the same folder, or if there is any other file that we are linking these files to, must be in the same folder. Okay, so there are ways to link files of the different folders also, but we'll discuss those ways in some other video. For now just remember that these files has to be in the same folder. So now let's view aboutus.html in the browser. Let's refresh this. You can see that there is a link take us to home page, and it takes us to index.html. So you can also observe one more thing, that the color of this text is now purple, right? Because this link has been visited once. When it was not visited its color was blue, and when it is visited its color is somewhat purple, right? So these are also default settings of the browser. So now let's see how we can change the default settings that browser has given to the A element. So let's say I want to remove this underline. Okay, so let's see how we can do that. Let's go to VS Code, and I'll be using internal CSS to change these styles. For that I'll use style element, and I'll target the A element here and just use text decoration and set its value to none. Let's copy these styles and also paste it in the index.html. Now let's see these changes in the browser. So you can see that the underline has been removed. So now let's say I want to change the color of this text also. For that we'll use a property called color, and we can give it a value of any color we like. So let's give it a value of orange, and let's save this file and view this file in the browser. So you can see that the color of the link has been changed to orange. This way you can change the default styling of the browser. I hope you had fun learning about it. This was all for this video. I'll see you in the next video then.